got some dirty shit to pick up at the dry cleaner. I got a tidy bitch to pick up, I got love Selena. Shawty hop up in the whip, but I ain't never seen her. Shawty love the way I whip it in a two-seater.
Okay, so this is the setup right here with the dual motors, and here is the enclosure I will be using for this build. This is the Meepo battery enclosure, pretty small for the batteries I want to use, but the batteries do fit. This is to connect the two batteries in series. This is the power output cable. So here is the ESC case I will be using. Instead of showing me how many bars I have left, I have exactly how many volts I have left. So I also added a little module, and I also added little lights for night rides for the phone too. And here is how it works. I'll go ahead and press this button, and here it is. Break. It's heavy.